Are you searching for the ideal camera to effortlessly capture life's moments? Your search ends here. Today, we delve into the world of photography to reveal the 5 best point-and-shoot cameras that will transform your photo-taking experience. These cameras, known for their exceptional image quality and intuitive features, are perfect for anyone looking to document their adventures. Join us as we explore the top contenders who will become your go-to companions on every photographic journey. Number 5. Sony ZV-1F. Okay, so hear me out. The Sony ZV-1F is technically a vlogging camera rather than a point-and-shoot, however, it does have a lot of the same qualities. It's lightweight, compact, and can fit in your pocket. It's incredibly easy to use. It has a handy flip-out screen so you can easily take selfies, and the larger 1-inch sensor makes it better suited to low-light conditions than other models on this list. The fixed 20mm 2 lens might be a little limiting, but in some ways, I say it will force you to think more about the composition of the image and in turn make you a better photographer. It may not have the best stabilization, but speedy eye autofocus and a max continuous burst speed of 24 apps make up for it. Number 4. Ricoh GR IIIx. If you're an avid street photographer, there's no doubt you'll have heard of the Ricoh GR, a superb series of compact cameras that are famous for their sharp, fixed focal length lens and large APS-C sensor. The Ricoh GR IIIx is the latest model and features a 40mm 2.8 lens versus the standard GR3's wider 28mm 2.8 option, which may make it a more versatile option depending on your proclivities. Personally, we prefer the X's 40mm for portraiture, while the GR3's 28mm is ideally suited to landscape. We think the GR IIIx is a superb everyday carry camera, with new features like the snap focus system making it an intuitive camera for capturing decisive moments. A host of excellent customization options make it a great choice for experienced tinkerers with in-camera raw editing and easy sharing via the wireless smartphone connection. We would have liked better battery life and a tilt screen, but such omissions are understandable given the compact body. Number 3. OM System TUF TG7. The OM System TG7, along with its predecessor the Olympus TUF TG6, is a camera built for extreme conditions. Tested in harsh environments such as the Spanish desert, sub-zero British winters, and underwater in Greece, it has proven its durability. It can withstand impacts and rough handling, making it perfect for adventurous use. This camera features a built-in GPS that logs the location, altitude, and temperature of each shot. Its 2.3-inch sensor with a 12MP resolution, despite being smaller and having fewer megapixels than some other cameras, benefits from larger pixels that enhance light capture, particularly useful underwater. The TG7 also includes a flash and LED to provide illumination in low-light situations both above and below water, and it can capture up to 20 frames per second. Its 25 100mm zoom lens with an aperture of 2 at the wide end and f4.9 at full zoom offers a good working range. The built-in macro mode allows for stunning close-up shots in 4K video. It supports RAW shooting for high-quality image capture. All these features make the TG7 an excellent all-rounder and a reliable choice for those needing a robust point-and-shoot camera that performs well in challenging conditions. Number 2. Canon PowerShot SX740HS. If you're after a point-and-shoot camera with incredible zoom capabilities, look no further than the Canon PowerShot SX740HS with its focal range equivalent to a full frame of 24 to 960m. It has a 20.3MP 2.3-inch sensor and an LCD screen, which can be flipped to face the front, making it perfect for selfies. What we love about this is that unlike bridge cameras with bigger zooms, this is a pocket-sized camera. It has a maximum continuous burst shooting rate of 10 fps, and it can also film video in 4K. The Canon PowerShot SX740HS can be found slightly cheaper if you don't need 4K video, and it still has full HD recording. The image quality and autofocus performance on this camera is pretty good, and overall I rate this as an excellent camera for the price. Number 1. Sony RX100 VII. The Sony RX100 VII isn't cheap, but it is made to handle almost anything you're likely to photograph, above water anyway. Whether you're an experienced photographer and a parent of a champion field hockey player, say, or a novice learning more about photography while capturing the landscapes and cuisine of the French countryside, this camera delivers. And it's a camera that you can grow with as you enhance your skills. Its focus tracking is the best you can find in a compact camera, and its pop-up electronic viewfinder makes composing shots on sunny days easier. Crucially, its 20-megapixel 1-inch sensor delivers sharper images, with more realistic color and better background blur when you want it, than the best smartphone cameras can produce. The RX100 VII 24-200mm lens is both wide enough and long enough to handle the vast majority of photo opportunities. Due to its relatively narrow maximum aperture range, it sacrifices a little background blur and low light shooting ability in comparison with some larger compact and mirrorless cameras, but its telephoto capabilities and diminutive size make it the best all-around travel companion. Its 4K footage is colorful and sharp as well, and it can output live, uncompressed 4K footage via HDMI. That concludes our roundup of the best point-and-shoot cameras currently available. If you found this guide useful, we genuinely appreciate your support by giving this video a thumbs up. Which of these compact cameras grabbed your interest? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content, ensuring you stay updated on the latest developments in camera technology. Until next time, thank you for being a part of our community, and we eagerly await your presence in our future videos.